In this video, we will learn web scraping in Python using Selenium. We will automate our browser using a WebDriver and do a lot of cool stuff. So first, we will install Selenium. Go to your terminal and type pip install Selenium. Once that's done, we need to download Chrome WebDriver. Make sure to download your respective version. In my case, it's version 90. After that, download for Windows if you are in Windows. Once it's done, double click to open it. And drag the Chrome driver to the folder of the Python project you're working on. And now we can start coding. First we'll import WebDriver, so type from Selenium import WebDriver. Now we need to get the URL of the website you want to scrape. Here as an example, I will be using my channel URL. Now store the URL in a string. Then we will initiate our WebDriver. So type browser equals webdriver.chrome. Then we can do browser.get and feed it our URL. This will open a new window and open my YouTube channel. Let's go back and click inspect to your desired element. I'll use one of my videos for an example. It might be a bit difficult to find the right element, then you can just copy the XPath. Now we will type browser.findElement by XPath and paste your XPath in it. What this will do is find the element and use the click function to click that element. And when we run it, it will open my YouTube channel and click the video. And that's the end of the first tutorial on web scraping using Selenium, and I'll see you guys in the next video.